Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I want to show you how to log out from your Windows 10 mail. So first open your mail. So many people doesn't know how to log out. It's very complicated. One of my friend asked me how to log out, so I'm going to show you. When you are in, you only have to go to settings over here. In settings you can say manage your account. In manage your account, click on this, and as you can see, remove this account from this device. Click over here, click delete, click done, and it's gone. As you can see over here, it was very simple, so very small tutorial. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.